So welcome back to Betide, and in this video we are going to set up the EOS integration kit. In the last video we launched, and man, what a response! 400 views, broke all my records. No worries, thanks a lot. So yeah, so the first thing is on GitHub you can just start the project. That would help me getting it noticed, and also if we get any updates you will be noted like getting a ping, so that would be good. The second most important thing is the marketplace version is under review. So if you're thinking marketplace would be different, nope, the plugin content would still be the same, the documentation would still be the same. It's only the premium support that you would be getting. Now premium support means like on Discord we already have a very good support. You must have seen like we record reply to comments very quickly. We have a team, so you will get that. But for EOS integration kits marketplace version we have a different like set of people who would be helping you out if you get stuck in some problem, and I would be more than happy to get on call if things do not sort out. And the second thing, you would be getting a very detailed example project, as you can see in the image, that enables team matchmaking. So a very nice lobby example project. So like for most projects that could be a very nice starting point. I have worked a lot on this project, so please try getting it from the marketplace. But anyways, the GitHub project is completely same as the marketplace version, just that marketplace version has a few extra features and quicker updates and things like that, but the GitHub would always be updated too. So that being said, you can now continue watching the videos. Also all the documentation pages, like for create us session, for find us session, for everything we will be getting separate videos. So because I do not want to like clutter my channel with these videos, I would be making a playlist for these. That would be unlisted playlist. So you can check the description of this video for that playlist, or you can like whatever video you are looking for, you can just go to that documentation page and the video will be linked on top. And that said, thanks a lot for watching this video, and let's continue with the functions that you are here for. So welcome back to the screen and let's get started. So as you can see, we are on the GitHub page of the EOS integration kit where like all the updates would be coming. So you can directly download the zip from here if you want, or you can go to the releases section where we release all the versions. Like 49 minutes ago we released the newer version, and we have the EOS integration kit 5.0 and 5.1. I would be following with 5.0. You can follow with either, that's not a problem. And this download thing, just let's make it here. Now let's launch 5.0.3 from the launcher. No C++ is required, so don't worry for that part. Let's give it a second. Now if you download using the older method that I showed, by putting that download button, then you will have to write a little bit of C++. But for this nothing is required. So let's unzip this. So now we have the unzip folder, and I will just copy this so you can see we have the plugin folders here. So this is basically a binary file. So let me just go to games and create a empty C++ project. Oh sorry, empty blueprint project, not the C++ one. I will be creating a blueprint project. So now it's open, and let us open this in content browser. Let me just close this up. Yeah, and let's create a new folder here, named it plugins. And just paste the plugin here and close the engine and just restart. Again, no C++ class has been added and the plugin has been added directly. So it's a binary file, so you do not need to worry about it. That was the biggest issue users were having. So now we can just enable. So I think it's already got enabled, so nice. Now we have to go and set up the online subsystem EOS properties. If you have not enabled the plugin, it would automatically get enabled if you have enabled EOS integration kit. So we will have to set these values up. So let's go and set these up. So for the upcoming minute or two where we create the product, put all the values here, I would be fast forwarding it to the end A position, because like putting values is very easy. And if you do not know how to put values from the dev portal, so you can either follow the speed version, or you can just check the EOS setup video where we set up the credentials, or you can even check the documentation. Everything is already set up. So enjoy the music. So now we have the values set. So we will just enable these values, and as you can see we have require game by Epic Launcher. Do not enable this until you are packing it for Epic Launcher itself. This will crash the game. So now when we have all the values, we will also need to get the 64 hexadecimal generator. Let me open up a new tab and just open it up for you guys. Just give me a second. So I will copy these values and just put it up. So you can copy it from description also, or from the website documentation also. So now when we have this, we have the almost everything ready. So let's open up the level blueprint and write some basic code just to see if everything is set up correctly. We also need to do one more thing, but we will do it later. So I have given it a little bit delay. Then we will get the EIK subsystem. Then we will call login with account portal. Yeah. So local username is not required to be changed. Then we will add a custom user like this and login with result, login with account portal result, and we will make a branch here. So just a basic function just to check the functionality is working or not. And can make a print string here. Success. And login failure. Compile and save it. Okay, let me just save it because I will be closing the editor. So I will name this something. So yeah, example level has been loaded. So let's go to the GitHub page and let's open the main page, and then we will go to the documentation and then the project setup. So we will copy this config values and just go to our default engine.ini. Engine.ini, and just on the lower side we will print it. And remember, no line should be duplicate. Like, just make sure that no line has been written twice. That is something that you need to take care of. Now just restart the project. So I will just open this up in Explorer and close this project, and now reopen it. So before moving forward, just check if EOS has been correctly set up or not. So if you do not know how to check that up, open up your firstly we will open the level and then output log, and in the output log just search for EOS. So we need to check for 3 lines. The first one is this, whether this one, these two, the yellow arrows, and then the second one is created online subsystem instance for EOS, and the third line is try load EOS. That is the line below it. So that is it. Now if I play in the editor, this will not work, so let me play as at standard. So now when we play as a standalone, logs will not come, but if you want you can enable the logs. So for now let's skip over these. Let's wait for 3-4 seconds, whatever the delay time was, and the screen should open up. Yeah, so we have the login screen. We will just allow, and we come back to our game. So we should get a message for login success, and we got it. So you can see we got the login success. We have that epic message pop up on top, so that means EOS integration kit has been set up correctly. If you just want to verify, you can press shift F3 and it will open up the right side menu. And that is it for this video. Meet you in the next one. Consider subscribing Patreon or getting the pack from marketplace if you can, and thanks once again.